Negotiable Instruments Act, Section 54, Instrument Indust in blank. Section 54 of the Negotiable Instruments Act, 1881 explains the legal effect of an endorsement in blank and states that when a negotiable instrument is endorsed in blank, it becomes payable to bearer even if it was originally payable to order. However, this rule operates subject to certain provisions relating to crossed cheques contained elsewhere in the Act. 1. Meaning of endorsement in blank. An endorsement in blank occurs when the holder of a negotiable instrument signs his name on it without specifying the name of the person to whom the instrument is to be paid. For example, if a bill of exchange payable to A or order is signed on the back by A without adding any further direction, the endorsement is in blank. Such an endorsement does not name a new payee or endorsee. 2. Effect of endorsement in blank. Section 54 provides that once a negotiable instrument is endorsed in blank, it becomes payable to the bearer. This means that the instrument may thereafter be negotiated by mere delivery, and the person in possession of it is treated as the holder entitled to receive payment. Even if the instrument was originally payable to order, the blank endorsement converts it into an instrument payable to bearer. 3. Conversion from order to bearer instrument. An instrument originally payable to order requires endorsement and delivery for negotiation. However, once it is endorsed in blank, the need for further endorsement is removed, and it can circulate by delivery alone. Thus, a blank endorsement effectively changes the mode of transfer from endorsement and delivery to delivery only. This enhances the negotiability and ease of circulation of the instrument. 4. Subject to provisions relating to crossed cheques. The section begins with the phrase subject to the provisions hereinafter contained as to crossed cheques. This means that the rule allowing a blank endorsed instrument to be payable to bearer does not override specific statutory restrictions applicable to crossed cheques. In the case of crossed cheques, certain limitations may restrict the manner of negotiation or payment. Therefore, the general effect of blank endorsement is subject to those special provisions. 5. Commercial significance. The provision facilitates the free and easy transfer of negotiable instruments by allowing an order instrument, once endorsed in blank, to become a bearer instrument that can circulate more freely in commercial transactions. However, it also requires parties to exercise caution, since bearer instruments can pass from hand to hand without trace of ownership. 6. Protection of parties. Although a blank endorsement makes the instrument payable to bearer, the holder remains subject to other relevant provisions of the Act, including rules relating to holders in due course and instruments obtained unlawfully. Thus, while negotiability is enhanced, safeguards against misuse remain intact. For more details, contact us.